The pinch. First, pinch the shirt by the collar with one hand. Find the middle point of the shirt below and pinch it with the other hand. Fold the shirt in half and pinch the bottom part of the shirt as well while still holding on to the collar. Pull out the middle portion you were holding and straighten out all the wrinkles. Place the shirt in its front, make sure all the wrinkles are gone, and fold it so it's symmetrical. Then, once you've completely convinced yourself the wrinkles are gone, fold the shirt one last time. And there you have it, a beautifully folded shirt. The roll. Fold the bottom part of the shirt up, giving yourself about a 4 to 5 centimeter long flap. Make sure the back is nice and even. It's important. Then, fold in the sleeves and fold the entire shirt into thirds. Once you got all the wrinkles out and happy with the way it looks, start rolling the shirt up from the collar side, nice and tight. Then, once you finish rolling it up, you notice that the flap you made in the beginning will now act as a pocket. Flip it over, and your shirt will stay together, not unrolling in your bag until you're ready to use it. Perfect! Once you have your shirts all rolled up, you can fit them all into a gallon-sized Ziploc bag. Great!